Hello mga loves, bago ang operahan, mayroon tayong sabon, ayan, panligo, antibacteria, yun, ito yung sasabon natin ulo, hindi ulo, paa, hanggang dito lang yun, sa legs, so ayan, hindi na ako pwede magsabon, ibang sabon, ito yung pang hilod. Maligo na ako bago ang aking operasyon.
So, ayan ang mga loves, papaliguan muna yung aking katawan kasi tapos na ako maligo. Tapos, di ko alam, mali pala yung sabon na gamit ko. Kailangan ko pala gamitin yung sabon na pang antibacteria. Yung sa ospital talaga, hindi yung sabon ko. Kasi para maalis yung mga oil sa katawan ko kasi operahan na po ako. At kailangan ko gamitin yung liquid na sabon na pang ospital. So ayan na po tayo, naligo talaga tayo, no? Diyos ko, hindi pala pwedeng operahan ng hindi maligo. At hindi malinis yung katawan mo kasi nga operahan ka. Kailangan pagpasok mo sa OR, malinis ka talaga. Ayan, tapos mamaya-maya ng hapon ako ay ready na kasi operahan na po tayo.
Dito sa ospital, ito yung ating pang sabon sa mukha. Kailangan maganda tayo bago operahan. Siyang lipot talaga dapat. Ayan o. Ganyan lang. So, ayan. Tapos, paglagay na tayo ng sunscreen. Ito na yung sunscreen natin. Ayan. Ganyan naman yan. Guwapa pa rin yan.
Yan.
Nobody knows how much I suffered this year. I've seen the most vulnerable version of me, and I realized it took everything in me to survive from my silent battles. I almost gave up and almost lost myself because I was hurting a lot. Nobody really knows how many times I pulled myself together just to survive this year. And for that, I am so proud of myself for being here. I've seen the saddest version of me, the most wasted and devastated. But despite of that, I've learned that I am a strong person. I also learned to forgive myself for letting myself settle for less than what I truly deserved. I've learned a lot while I was hurting, even though I've seen the worst version of me this year. I still learn to accept and appreciate myself. This may be the most painful year for me, but at least I survived and learned a lot.